Hello everyone, we are Sharma Kadag and Jerhan Mamiskal, and in this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating the split feature in SOLIDWORKS. This tool allows you to divide a solid body into multiple parts, making it easier to edit, analyze, or assemble complex designs. Let's get started and see how the split feature works.
Now let's apply the split. I used this broken crown figure as the sample in this video for you to learn how to split the figure. Now let's go. Let's learn, everyone. Go to the upper left of the screen, then select data migration, then split. Now we have three options. First is trim tools. What is trim tools? Trim tools is the guide of the split. What side of the body would you split? For example, the front plane. The front plane would be the guide where side would be splitted. For example, this side and also this side. Now we have trim tools. Next is target bodies. Target bodies is the bodies that would be separated to each and other. For example, all of the figure here would be separated each other. But let's just gonna choose the selected bodies and click this, choose this. Now we have target bodies, then cut it, click this. Now we see the resulting bodies. The resulting bodies is all of the sketch or all of the body on what we choose in target bodies is shown in the resulting bodies. Let's all check this. Now we've checked it all, then check this, then auto assign. Now that we chose and now we selected it all, then this is the bodies. Then check it. While waiting, let's explain. The bodies that we separated would be saved in the files. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh no! Why it's not separated yet? No, it's already separated but in other files. For example, this body 1. This is the first. And that's all. You can see here that it's already been separated. I hope you all learn and thank you for watching this video.